Hello guys, today I've got Creative Outlier Free Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily rename your headphones in your iPhone. At first, open the settings. Here, scroll down to the Bluetooth section. Tap this info icon near your headphones and now here tap Name. Now, here in the name section you can just do anything you just want. Change the name, add emotes, add numbers, etc. If you are done, tap this tick icon. On older iOS versions, like 18 or below, it's OK button, but on iOS 26 and 27 beta, we've got this tick. If you want to bring back your name to the default one, tap this X and tick. That's it. Bye.